Hi, we are the Pro Group for genetic testing, and here is our rebuttal. The technology that helps create designer babies is not 100% safe. At the moment, it is still in experimental stages and there is much to develop and test. The current NHS screening, which is offered to all pregnant women, gives an indication of the likelihood that babies will have Down syndrome. If the fetus has this condition, there is an 85 to 90% chance that the existing testing will pick it up. But 2.5% of positive testings are false, and these babies do not have Down syndrome. When a couple is looking for a donor to become pregnant, they analyze portfolios for potential donors for sperm or embryos. These couples will look for information such as intelligence, work history, appearance, and medical history. This couple will look for certain features that they want for their future child. Everyone has a different version of how they want their child to be like. The deaf couple wanted their child to be deaf. This is no different than a couple wanting their child to have blonde hair and blue eyes. What happens when these children do not have the traits that their parents picked for them? These children may develop a disease or disability after they were born, even though their parents ensured that the child would be exactly like they wanted. This can cause the child to feel unwanted or feel excluded from their family. If genetic testing continues, what happens to babies who are born that do not fit their parents' expectations? While the deaf couple wanted to find a donor who is deaf, sounds great in theory, it is not necessarily the safest thing to do for the child. This is because when the child is not with the parents who are also deaf, it may be difficult for them to get by. Once outside their comfort zone, such as their home, school, or safety network, the child may feel lost or confused in the world. How will they get by on their day-to-day basis? Is it fair for genetic modifications for embryos to be done without the child's consent? This will lead us down to a slippery slope of possible undetermined consequences. Also,